In this video, let me show you how to remove the paired devices on your Omoda. So basically, let me show you how to disconnect, how to delete all saved devices of your car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the apps icon to open all applications. Select here settings. And now from the list of settings, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list to choose device manager. And now, if you use, for example, Apple CarPlay, you can open the Apple CarPlay to see all phones, all devices which were connected to this car. As you can see, it's quite a lot of them in my case. If you would like to delete one of them, let's just use this remove button. And if you would like to disconnect this iPhone, let's just tap OK. And as you can see, this iPhone disappeared from the list. You can do the same thing with Android Auto. This is the list of Android Auto that were connected to this car. Let's use this button to disconnect it and tap OK. Alright, so that's it. As you can see, it's quite useful and quite simple. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.